Dear guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to each every one of you. To all my silent subscribers, to all my first viewers, who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to each every one of you. And shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo. Tastes so good. And to all my first viewers, to all my Facebook viewers, hi. Love it. Advance Merry Christmas, guys and girls. What should I'm gonna say? You know what, last night, the concert that I have seen last night was the very sad moment, even though it's some kind of fantastic, great performance by Gary B, but still, it's still sad for all of us. And how I wish he's okay right now and he can have his performance for tomorrow, December 22, 2024. It's a 2-night concert. As we all know, guys and gals, he is diabetic. That's why. And I have nothing against with Gary and about his concert, but what I have seen, hold on, on his attire, it's still the same, the black one, the all black. I think since it's the last but not the least, I don't know, you should give everything on the show, especially on his costume. I think he should change his costume once in a while. I know it's his signature costumes, the black one. But I think, for my suggestion and for my opinion, he should change from time to time, like colorful ones. And since that he is not capable to perform well last night, I think he should have some backup dancers. There he has. I think he should call for help to other artists like Martin or any other who is younger than him, for him not to stop the show and the fans wouldn't be disappointed. Actually, I can be a stand-in talent for him. I can sing his songs. Actually, I told Gary last night on my vlog, I told him on air that I can be your alter ego or your backup dancer, performer. Anyway, that's it. And he should have this kind of saying that whatever happens, the show must go on. If he can't dance last night, I think he can only sing it without dancing, and the dancers will take care of the dancing, the dancing procedures, right? Anyway, that's my opinion, and still wish for best for Gary. Thank you, bye for now. Thank you for watching. This you want? Love it. Bye for now.